same cat from my previous video had another round of kittens. We don't know if they're abandoned, but they're clearly not in the best shape, so my mom took them in.
They're really cute, actually.
You're tiny little babies. My finger's almost longer than them. So did you pick out names for them or nah?
Not until we know if they're a girl or boy.
You're not gonna bite me? I'm surprised.
No, he will.
Remember this little guy? Here he was a few months ago when we rescued the first litter.
Yeah,
And he hurts.
there's other cats here.
He bites way too much.
Makes me look suicidal. I have to send some cartology and all that.
Dang, there's that long one right on the forearm.
He's happy he's getting some.
He does
Right,
look
right.
little
so
baby.
much- He is super bright.
He's a clean kitty. He's spoiled kitty.
Put the milk in there.
They are obviously very young, so they need some milk supplement.
I do it over the sink too because, yeah, obviously it's gonna spill. Start right there, yeah, because they're really small. They're not gonna have that whole entire bottle. No, 5. Jesus, 30 seconds? No way. If it was 30 seconds, it'd be boiling.
Alright.
Good enough.
They need to be stimulated to go to the bathroom until about 3 weeks old, so I taught my brother and mom how to do it.
They're the tiniest thing. They look even cuter with their little jelly bean toes.
Oh.
So you gotta do that, and then
I think this is a boy.
you basically just wipe them down, and they'll start peeing or pooping.
Yeah, this is a boy, definitely.
Yeah?
He's
He
hiding.
peed a little bit, didn't he?
I don't know, you tell me.
I think
Smell
so.
it. Don't really smell it.
This one has a nasty eye infection, but luckily, I have leftover terramycin.
You have to get Dr. Josh on the case. Alright, so since it's really bad, soak it.
Every time I try to move the camera.
I know. He's not gonna like it, but
This'll.
this will fix you. So
Did you heat it up?
now it's soaking a little bit. And then just let it sit. I know it hurts, buddy. You gotta open it.
Ooh.
You.
What happened?
It's like pus.
Did that happen with Kane?
No.
No.
You think he's missing his eye?
No, he's probably fine. It's
probably
just
has a lot
because, yeah, it's because it's so crusted that it probably is blocked.
I think it's
He just hissed at me, little baby hiss. It's for your own good. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. The crust is coming off.
Oh.
Oh my god, look at that, Mom. It's literally like the worst of all. That's how Kane looked, though, so a little bit more. Yeah.
Oh, you'll be
I know,
okay,
I know.
baby.
Try again. You didn't get all of it in there.
Oh.
You or you?
Shut up. And it's okay if you like touch their eyeball. Okay? You just gotta. That's good.
We also used a heating pad to keep them warm at night. Stay tuned for updates in the future.
Let's see if she jumps out or if Odessa hits her over. She's so cute.
I think Odessa just wants to go inside.
Oh! Whoops.
Odessa's turn. Yep.
Yeah.
I think she wants
Get in there. Here, I'll lift you up. Go. Get. Wow. Lame. Kitty Flakes. Oh, and she just knocked her over.